Toys. Do you want to learn the names of all the famous toys in the world in English with examples, translations, and pronunciation? Then this video is just for you. Let's dive into the world of toys together. Teddy bear. A teddy bear is a soft, cuddly stuffed toy shaped like a bear. Kids love hugging it. It's used for comfort and pretend play. It helps kids feel safe and teaches them empathy by caring for their friend. It also boosts imagination through storytelling.
Example: a fluffy brown teddy bear with a red bow that kids can hug at bedtime. Skills: empathy, imagination, emotional comfort.
Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels are small toy cars that kids can race on tracks. They're used for racing games and building tracks. Kids love them because they're fast and fun. They help develop hand-eye coordination and creativity by designing tracks.
Example: a red Hot Wheels car that loops through a track with a launcher. Skills: hand-eye coordination, creativity, problem solving.
Jigsaw puzzle. A jigsaw puzzle is a picture broken into pieces that kids put together. It's used for brain games and quiet play. Kids like it because it's like solving a mystery. It helps improve focus, patience, and problem-solving skills.
Example: a 50-piece jigsaw puzzle of a jungle with colorful animals. Skills: focus, patience, problem solving.
Building blocks. Building blocks are pieces kids stack to make towers or shapes. They're used for creative building and play. Kids love them because they can build anything. They help develop creativity, motor skills, and spatial thinking.
Example: colorful plastic blocks to build a tall castle. Skills: creativity, motor skills, spatial thinking.
Toy kitchen set. A toy kitchen set is a pretend stove, sink, and dishes for cooking play. Kids use it to act like chefs. They love it because it feels grown up. It helps develop imagination, social skills, and role-playing.
Example: a toy kitchen with a mini fridge and plastic food. Skills: imagination, social skills, role-playing.
Jack-in-the-Box. A Jack-in-the-Box is a toy where a figure pops out when you turn a handle. It's used for surprise and fun. Kids love it because it's exciting. It helps develop anticipation and cause and effect understanding.
Example: a colorful jack-in-the-box with a clown that pops out. Skills: anticipation, cause and effect, motor skills.
Slinky. A slinky is a spring toy that stretches and walks downstairs. It's used for simple, fun play. Kids love it because it moves in cool ways. It helps develop hand-eye coordination and curiosity.
Example: a rainbow-colored slinky that flips down steps. Skills: hand-eye coordination, curiosity, motor skills.
Toy airplane. A toy airplane is a small plane kids can fly or move. It's used for pretend travel and adventure play. Kids love it because it's exciting to fly. It helps develop imagination and motor skills.
Example: a plastic toy airplane with spinning propellers. Skills: imagination, motor skills, storytelling.
Wooden train set. A wooden train set has tracks and trains kids connect. It's used for building and pretend travel. Kids love it because it's fun to create routes. It helps develop creativity, planning, and fine motor skills.
Example: a wooden train set with a red locomotive and bridges. Skills: creativity, planning, fine motor skills.
Bubble blower. A bubble blower makes bubbles when you blow or press it. It's used for outdoor fun and chasing games. Kids love it because bubbles are magical. It helps develop motor skills and sensory exploration.
Example: a battery-powered bubble blower shaped like a wand. Skills: motor skills, sensory exploration, coordination.
Scrabble. Scrabble is a word game with letter tiles to make words on a board. It's used for fun learning and family play. Kids like it because it's like a word puzzle. It helps improve vocabulary, spelling, and critical thinking.
Example: a Scrabble set where kids spell English to score points. Skills: vocabulary, spelling, critical thinking.
Doll. A doll is a toy that looks like a baby or a person. Children love to play with dolls by feeding them, dressing them, and talking to them. Dolls help kids use their imagination and express their feelings.
Example: she dressed her doll in a new outfit.
Thanks for watching. Which toy did you like the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep playing.